Today we are going to Lahangan Sweet. Early morning. We started 3 a.m. The girls doing good. Pretty close. We decided to go a little bit like a different way. A way is more safe because it's the trail I usually go is pretty steep, and for the girls would be really hard to get up there. So that's why we're gonna take an extra kilometer and then going the proper trail. Look where we are. We managed to get to the Lahangan Sweet, second attempt, more successful than the previous one. Here we are. We saw the sunrise, we got some coffee and also some, what is that, pastries from Laura?
Yeah, I hid the no cakes from Martin.
No cake. No flowers.
No flowers.
No flowers. And
no motorbike.
Motorbike is also not here. So we're going down same way we came up. And it took around, how long it took? It took around 2.5 hours to get up here. Right?
3 hours.
3 hours. Yep, 3 hours. Not bad. Not bad. We can do better next time. We will a little bit train and then cloudy day today. The sunrise was really cool actually, but otherwise pretty dark. You've seen this place so many times and there's nothing really to show you around, just because simply you already know it, or you can check in other episodes when we usually did it during the sunset. I did the sunrise hike a year ago, more than a year ago. It was April 2020. But I always been doing it alone. And so this is the first time I'm doing it with someone else. A lot of responsibilities, to be honest, like which trail to choose. For me, it doesn't matter. I always can go wherever I want, but with the girls, I needed to choose the right trail. So like for example, I would just simply come up here, while actually we did from another side, just because it's more comfortable trail. It's not that steep. Buggy. A lot of local people already walking around here. So yeah, we'll pack the things. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning and we will start our way down. It's always like that. You come up, you drink a coffee, you spend about 1 hour on the top and then you go down. It doesn't matter where you go. You can go to Agong and you do the same. You come to Lahangan Sweet. You can spend the night here, especially there are so many fireplaces at the moment already. You can take a tent, you can rent a tent here. They're renting it out. I've been showing it already, if I'm correct. And you can do so many things. It's just super enjoyable place. You can make a picnic with your friends here. It can be a part of your hiking. You drive up here, for example, if you are lazy, you leave the motorbike and then you stay a night and then you hike one side, come back overnight, go on other trails overnight. So many different options, at least for me. I would be just, I don't know, maybe it's a good idea to take a tent and come here with it. And that's the injury of Laura. She already put a plaster on it. It doesn't look that bad.
Yeah.
I can imagine how painful it is. It's always, when you look at other person and you think how painful it is, it's always more painful than if it would be yours. But I'm really happy we did it. Finally we are here on a top. It took a time.
Yeah. You don't trust him, you know. You remember last video when we went to Lahangan Sweet? So since that day I'm here, and Martin decided so I deserve go home, and that's why he came pick up me.
She been here since then, cutting grass together with the local people.
Yeah.
They gave Laura some food, so she didn't starve.
No, they didn't give me.
It was a joke, but who knows? Guess this is actually spiders. All of them. Look. Just look how many are. Never seen something else. Never seen anywhere else. All the ceiling. All the wall. All here. With the long legs. See? Looks like a hair. And also here. Super excited. Look at the girls, how excited they are.
Yeah, because we wanna go there.
Why don't you go there? They are absolutely harmless, actually. Something you always have to consider here is that it's pretty windy. And just imagine after the long hike when you are absolutely sweaty and wet, don't forget to take something warm to put on. Like I'm always taking my sleeping bag with me, so I can make it like a blanket or a plaid, and pretty useful stuff. Hello. That's how it looks here. The girls said it was good that it was night when they came up here. Now it looks a way worse than before. Anyways, going up is always easier. So, girls got upgrade. Yes. So now they have a sticks. They feel more confident now. You found pineapple?
Yeah.
Now we are out on the road and the girls are super happy to be here. They said it's so easy to walk a road, but this road will continue approximately another 400 meters and then we will be back on a trail again. Permisi.
Mau kemana?
Ahmed.
Нет, знаешь, палочка-то короче. Без палки было хуже.
You actually cannot imagine how happy I am that this is happening, because I always wanted some hiking buddy, like that. Laura is my hiking buddy, but she's not really active, and I was super happy when we started diving together. And I would never imagine that in these 2 years so many things will be changed. So finally we're hiking. Still another 1.5 kilometers to go, and then we will be at home. Amen. Amen. Lovely morning hike, and we are almost at home. A little bit left, last 300 meters. The girls said they're gonna sleep all day. I don't know what I will do, but probably also nothing really. Especially I have a ready episode for you. So basically I will just edit and that's it. Thank you very much for greeting sunrise together with us this morning. Follow, subscribe, thumbs up, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. Almost forgot the stats of today. We did 18,850 steps, burned around 1,300 calories. Distance was 11.8 kilometers. So that's the stats of today. Thank you for watching.